Morning students. Today we have to continue the chapter triangles, in which we will solve some of the problems which are important and typical. The first problem is, in a triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC are produced to points D and E respectively. The bisectors of angle DBC and angle ECB intersect at O. Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. See here. ABC is the triangle whose sides AB and AC are produced to D and E respectively. OB and OC are bisectors of angle DBC and angle ECB. Then we have to prove that angle BOC, that is this angle, will be equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. Solution. Here it is given that sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to D and E respectively. Also, OB and OC are bisectors of exterior angle B and exterior angle C respectively. To prove angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. यहाँ ट्रायंगल ABC का साइड AB और AC D और E तक बढ़ाया गया है और एक्सटीरियर एंगल DBC, एक्सटीरियर एंगल DCB का बाइसेक्टर OB और OC है। इस तरह से एंगल BOC जो बना वह साबित करना है कि 90 डिग्री माइनस हाफ एंगल A होगा। In the proof, exterior angle B, here this exterior angle B will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles A and C. Angle A plus C, since exterior angle बराबर sum of interior opposite angles. Similarly, exterior angle C is equal to angle A plus B. On adding exterior angle B plus exterior angle C is equal to angle A plus B plus C plus angle A. Here A plus B plus C and this angle A. This will give 180 degree plus angle A. Now, when we divide exterior angle B by 2, exterior angle C by 2, it will be 180 by 2 plus angle A by 2. Half of exterior angle B will be angle 1. And half of exterior angle C will be angle 2. This will be 90 degree plus half of angle. Now, in triangle BOC, angle 1 plus 2 plus angle BOC, 180 degree. This will angle 1 plus 2. It will give 90 degree plus half angle A plus angle BOC is equal to 180 angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 90 minus angle A by 2. This will give 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Proved. Okay. Now we have to prove another problem. In a triangle ABC, angle B is greater than angle C. AD perpendicular to BC and AE is the bisector of angle BAC. Then prove that angle BA is equal to half angle B minus angle C. See here, this one is a triangle and triangle ABC. Here AD perpendicular to BC and AE bisects angle BAC. यहाँ ट्रायंगल ABC में एंगल B एंगल C से ज्यादा है. AD परपेंडिकुलर BC है और AE जो है इस एंगल A को दो बराबर भाग में बांटता है. सॉल्यूशन given in triangle ABC, angle B is greater than angle C. AD perpendicular to BC and AE bisects angle BAC. To prove angle DAE is equal to 1 by 2 angle B minus C. Prove since AE bisects angle BAC, therefore angle BAE बराबर 1 by 2 angle A. First one, in triangle BAD, angle BAD plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Which imply angle BAD plus angle B and D, since AD is perpendicular, it will be 90 degree. This will give 180 and therefore angle BAD is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus angle B, which will be equal to 90 degree minus angle B. This is equation 2. Now, angle BAD, this BAD will be obtained by subtracting angle, this DA is solved. This angle DA, this will be obtained by subtracting angle BAD from angle BA. That is angle BAE minus angle BA. अगर इस एंगल से हम इस एंगल को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो ये एंगल मिलेगा. एंगल DAE is equal to angle BAE minus BAD. Here angle BAE is equal to 1 by 2 angle A and angle BAD is equal to 90 degree minus angle B. Using 1 and 2. Now, when we will take LCM, it will be 2 angle A minus 2 into 90 minus angle B. Now, angle A minus 2 into 90 means 180. 2 into angle B, 2 angle B by 2. This will give angle A minus angle A plus B plus angle C minus 2 angle B. क्योंकि 180 के इक्वल A plus B plus C होगा हमने उस जगह a plus b plus c डाल दिया by 2. It will give angle A minus angle A, B minus 2B, that is angle minus B plus angle C by 2. This will give angle A minus angle A plus angle B minus angle C by A will be cancelled by 8 and we will left with 1 by 2 angle B minus angle C proved. Okay. Now we have to solve another problem which is not difficult but typical. यह प्रॉब्लम डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं लेकिन थोड़ा सोच लीजिएगा तो आसानी से बनेगा. In the adjoining figure, we have to show that angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. And A, B, C, D, E, F. ये 6 एंगल्स को जोड़ा जाए तो 360 होगा. यही सत्यापित करना है. सॉल्यूशन. We know that the sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree and therefore in triangle ACE angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree and in triangle DFB angle D plus angle F plus angle B is equal to 1. On adding both of them, we find angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus angle F is equal to 180 plus 180, that is 360. Look. हमने दो ट्रायंगल में दिया ACE और DFE और तीनों एंगल का योग 180 होता है. जोड़ दिए. आगे. धन्यवाद.